how to set the PHP version per domain using cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Software section and click Multi-PHP Manager. Here you can see the list of different domains along with their PHP versions. Now click the checkbox to select that domain for which you want to set the PHP version. Click to open the drop-down list of PHP versions and select the appropriate version. Now click the Apply button. Notice that the PHP version of the selected domain has been set to the selected version. Similarly, you can select another domain and set the PHP version. Notice that the selected PHP version has applied to the domain. Now both the domains are using different versions. Thank you for watching.